So, you are that guy who wants to be productive. Wants to build that business, write that book, learn that skill, change his or her fucking life. Then why are you still doing nothing? You keep saying you're waiting for the right moment. But really you're just scrolling, binge watching, fake planning, wasting time. You don't need another plan. You need to wake the fuck up. Let's fix that right now. Let's not lie here, you don't have a focus problem. You have a doing dumb shit instead problem. You sit down to work, but suddenly you're organizing your desktop, cleaning your keyboard, watching productivity videos like this one instead of actually doing the fucking thing. You're not stuck. You're just soft. Think you're tired? You're not. You're overstimulated and undercommitted. You've trained your brain to chase dopamine, not results. You do the easy things first and never make it to the hard shit. You say you're overwhelmed? No. You're overfed on excuses. Ask yourself this: how many things have you said you'd start this year? Now ask how many you actually finished. Exactly. You don't need a plan. You don't need a fancy app. You need to stop lying to yourself. Every day you do nothing is a choice. A vote for the lazy, weak version of you. Feel proud. Then do hard shit. Wanna grow. Then stop hiding behind distractions. You don't get respect for trying. You get respect for showing up, especially when it sucks. Nobody's coming to save you. Not your mom. Not your coach. Not the universe. Only one person can change your life, and spoiler, he's watching this video right now. So here's the deal. Close the fucking tabs. Delete the bullshit. Turn off the music. And just fucking start. Start ugly. Start scared. Start small. But start before this version of you becomes permanent. And if that hurt a little, good. You needed it. Now get the hell off this video and go do the thing. Or stay here and be the exact same loser tomorrow. It's your choice, and if you learn anything, even a single thing from this video, hit that subscribe button. Comment down what things are bothering you, what problem you are facing. Trust me, I am here for you only. Just ask me. DM me on Instagram or comment here. All things are in description. Now go and fuck the distractions. Bye.